Salt Branding. Salt Branding is a company that kind of intrigues me, but what really intrigues me about Salt Branding? Well, I'd have to say basically a lot of stuff. The way they brand, their culture across different cultures. There's many different cultures. They have to try to figure out how to come up with the name for each brand, and that's what they do. What is Salt Branding? Salt Branding is an integrated brand consultancy that helps Fortune 500 and startup companies achieve their business objectives. Salt Branding has a very interactive website that is very easy to navigate and find all the information that one would need in deciding whether this is the consulting firm for their business. Company overview. They were founded in 2001 and they're headquartered in San Francisco, California. They were founded by a fellow named Rick Herrick. And in 2009 they started a blog site called Trends in Branding, which is posted a great deal of information about different trends in branding. As far as culture, branding, name branding, how they come up with the different brand names and their clients. They have a great deal of clients, including some of the biggest companies that are listed in the Fortune 500, which some of these clients include Microsoft, Embark, eBay, Nissan, Coca-Cola, Avery Dennison, HP, Wi-Fi, which is in a lot of cafes and bookstores, restaurants, and hotels. Microsoft, which we all know they create computer stuff. Anderson Windows, Autodesk, SmugMug, Nissan, Polycom, Cricket, Sprint, Xerox, Square Trade, and many other clients. One of their clients is Microsoft, which is a branding leader that operates a house of brand strategies with distinct offers that target audiences. Microsoft has been a client of Salt since 2001, and Salt provides Microsoft with all 6 core services, which include brand strategy, naming, design, communications, interactive name culture. These services in turn help Microsoft manage their many different types, or many different brands, products, services, technologies, programs, and interactives and offerings. And there's a example of their branding structure, which starts with top level, sub-brand, second sub-brand, product descriptor, and then they got Microsoft, MSN, Windows, Office, XP, Vista, Live, which they all branch out. The one branched off of Windows, the other off of Office, and then the product descriptor. And Salt provides each of their clients with 6 core services depending on their needs. Depends on which service they use. And they are as follows: brand strategy, naming, design, communications, interactive, and culture. And I will be describing these in the following slides. The first one is brand strategy. Which includes category analysis, brand positioning value proposition, brand architecture, transition and launch strategies, brand research and measurement, Salt provides Each service is, moving on, brand naming, which is naming strategy and architecture, corporate and product naming, brand voice, trademark law, international linguistics, URL strategy and acquisition, and brand messaging. An effective brand strategy will create a unique identity that will differentiate you from the competition. Okay, the next one is design, which includes corporate identity, visual language systems, brand implementation, collateral systems, website and URL design, brand packaging, and brand guidelines and tools that are necessary to help their clients in brand naming. Communications is the next one, which includes brand launches, brand advertising, digital campaigns, relationship programs, brand videos and animation, trade shows and events, and interactive, which includes web strategy, website architecture and design, microsites, extranets, and internets, which are communication tools designed to enable easy information sharing within work groups. Also, mobile applications, product UI, which is the product user interface designed where when the user wants, what the user wants is thought of first and engineered into the product. Coding and development, and brand asset management systems. And the last one, core service they provide, is culture, which includes brand culture strategy. Global strategy is unlocking the brand potential across countries, and also includes education, training programs, international marketing and recruitment programs, brand guidelines, brand management services, and also if you want to do any further research, you can go to, they got a website, their website at www.saltbranding.com. And thank you. Any questions?